If you're having problems with your heater motor in a 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra, I've ripped all the interior out on this and done a lot of diagnosis and figured this out. Glove box comes out of here really easily. You've got two tabs, one on each side that looks like that, and you just press in and then this will drop down. You've got a little squeeze tab on this little plastic strut that just pops off, and then you just grab it and give it a yank forward, and then those tabs will pull right off. It's pretty similar like on most import cars. Down on the left side of your center console there's two flat motors, one of which controls all of your selector. And if you're having problems with the heat control, hot to cold, that is a flat motor that is right down here. And let me go ahead and change the selection from hot to cold. And you can see it actuate. So that's where the hot to cold flat motor is at. If you're interested in the recirculation flat motor, if that's not working, that is actually right back in here. So right behind where your filter is, I'll go ahead and push the button again. And you can see that is where your recirculation to outside air selector is at. And I believe that flat motor is like right back there on that side. Yeah, it's right back on the left side of there. So hope that helps. And then all you got to do is pretty much just snap your fingers and everything goes back together. Just like that. Goes right back together.